4 years, automatic transmissions were the symbol of comfort. Smooth, precise, and with no need for a clutch pedal. But behind that promise of convenience, there were failed experiments that turned into real nightmares for thousands of drivers. Some were so serious that they stained the reputation of entire brands for decades. One of the most memorable cases was Honda, in the early 2000s, with its 5-speed automatic transmission used in models like the Accord V6, Odyssey, and Acura TL. The problem was a lubrication defect in the third gear, which caused premature wear and, in many cases, complete transmission failure. Honda had to launch extended warranty programs and replace thousands of units, one of the brand's biggest technical setbacks of that era. But if there's one transmission that truly earned the title of infamous, it's the Ford PowerShift DPS6. Installed in the Fiesta and Focus, it promised the best of both worlds: the efficiency of a manual and the comfort of an automatic. In practice, it was a disaster. Jerky shifts, vibrations, overheating, and power loss were daily occurrences. The root of the problem was its dry clutches, unable to handle heat and friction in city traffic. The scandal ended in class action lawsuits and thousands of replacements, a blow so strong that Ford had to completely rethink its small car strategy. General Motors also had its share of trouble. In the 1980s, its 700R4 transmission, used in cars like the Chevrolet Camaro, Corvette, Blazer, and Suburban, promised better fuel economy thanks to a fourth-gear overdrive. But the early versions, built between 1982 and 1987, used weak internal components: fragile oil pumps, low-pressure servos, and torque converters that constantly failed. American workshops were flooded with these gearboxes, and the 700R4 became synonymous with disposable automatic, until it was redesigned as the 4L60E in the 90s. And when it comes to modern transmissions with bad reputations, you can't ignore Jatco's CVTs. The Japanese manufacturer, supplier for Nissan, Mitsubishi, and Renault, produced several units with chronic issues, especially the models you see on screen. They were used in cars like the Nissan Sentra, Versa, Altima, and Mitsubishi Outlander between 2012 and 2020. Their Achilles heel was overheating and the wear of the metal belt, which caused vibrations, loss of acceleration, and in many cases, total failure before reaching 100,000 kilometers. Nissan extended warranties, launched software updates, and even redesigned the cooling systems, but the damage to its reputation was already done. And the list goes on. The ZF9HP from the Jeep Cherokee and Honda Pilot, criticized for its harshness. Subaru's Lineartronic TR580, known for premature failures. Or Fiat's Dualogic, slow and prone to electronic glitches. So tell me, which one do you think is the worst automatic transmission ever made?